Braniff International knows you travel for many reasons. Often you travel for business. That's why we fly to most of America's business centers. New York, Chicago, Washington, Seattle, Denver, Dallas, Houston, Miami, and many others. Sometimes you travel for pleasure. That's why we offer exciting vacations throughout the Western Hemisphere. Skiing and fishing in the Colorado Rockies, exploring ancient ruins in the Peruvian Andes, sun and fun in Mexico, a fast set of tennis in Texas, or cruising the Amazon in Brazil. We offer you everything from Broadway in New York to the tropical beaches in Hawaii. We fly a lot of people to a lot of places. In fact, every week we jet 140,000 people over 100 million miles. Braniff International. You're going places, so are we.